What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the last and final sniper assassin mission, the yard board. So let's get this going. So let's see.
Good afternoon. Out of sight, out of mind. 47, the situation is about to become critical.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Diana. One and two.
You're about to be spotted. Dorian Lang is confirmed killed. .47, the situation is about to get out of hand.
Luckily, there is no...
47, someone's onto you.
Okay, time to restart the mission, guys. I do not feel like doing with that.
Good afternoon.
So, tiptoe.
.47, they're about to raise the alarm.
No, they are not. Bye, have a good time.
Nice shot, .47. .47, they're beginning to suspect something. That's Maison taken care of. Nice work, .47. That's impressive, .47.
Yeesh.
.47, the situation is about to become critical. .47, the situation is about to get out of hand.
No. Then I'm like, oh. Wait, you get a quest for this? Oh, guys, look at this. Ready? Look. It's a caveman! So cool, guys, right? They added a caveman to this.
.47, someone's onto you.
Nobody saw that. Nobody saw the bodyguard.
That is Doris Lee, aka the Goldfinch, former Hollywood stuntwoman of Cheyenne descent.
So it's come to my attention that you get the quest for challenge if you tweak every...
.47, what on earth are you up to? .47, you're about to be spotted. 47, code red. Everyone is evacuating. Lang has been eliminated. Doris Lee is down.
Everything's fine.
Well done, 47. Nice work, 47.
Like I said, everything's fine.